Top natural cough remedies in the US. Are you looking for natural remedies for cough relief? You're in the right place. This video will guide you through some of the most effective home remedies to soothe that persistent cough. Let's dive in. 1. Honey, nature's cough suppressant. Honey is a traditional remedy for sore throat and cough. It's believed to be even more effective than some over-the-counter medications. Try mixing 2 teaspoons of honey with a cup of herbal tea or warm water and lemon. Sip this soothing concoction once or twice a day, or whenever your throat feels irritated. 2. Probiotics, for gut health and beyond. While probiotics don't directly relieve a cough, they help balance your gastrointestinal flora, which can boost your overall health. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your daily diet. 3. Bromelain, the power of pineapples. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's most abundant in the core of the fruit. Enjoy a slice of pineapple or a glass of fresh pineapple juice to reap the benefits. 4. Peppermint, more than just a fresh breath. Peppermint leaves are renowned for their healing properties. The menthol in peppermint soothes the throat and acts as a decongestant, helping to break down mucus. Brew a cup of peppermint tea by steeping fresh or dried peppermint leaves in boiling water. 5. Thyme, a culinary herb with medicinal uses. Thyme is a common remedy for cough, sore throat, bronchitis, and digestive issues. Brew a cup of thyme tea by steeping 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in hot water. 6. Ginger, a spicy solution for coughs. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, may ease a dry or asthmatic cough. Boil fresh, crushed ginger in 2 cups of water, then add honey or lemon juice for taste. 7. Saltwater gargle, a simple and effective remedy. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of warm water and gargle with the solution. This remedy is particularly effective for a sore throat and wet cough. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking fluids at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. Soothe your throat and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, fruit juice, and clear broths. Remember, while these remedies are natural, they may still have side effects or interact with medications you're taking. Always consult with the healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Stay healthy and take care.